Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wednesday, you know what that means, guys. You want to learn your song, and I will bring up here for you on Wish Wednesday. So that means you, Ariel Parrish, you wanted Ollie's song Caught Fire. So yeah, here we are. And Ollie has a lot of songs here on Gordon Guitar. Check out his playlist if you are a fan of him. Let's go into the Caught Fire song, and I'm gonna play this on this beautiful guitar from Ovation, the Celebrity line there, beautiful deep blue color. And check out my tutorial on this one also here on Gordon Guitar on the Gordon Gear series. Now let's check out Caught Fire. And as you can see here, no need for any capo. We have 4 chords to learn here, so let's go through them, starting with C. So C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And then finally we have this D variation. It looks like a C up at this position. So you place your finger on this 5th fret A string, 4th fret D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And there you have the chord progression through the entire song. Now let's go into the melody first, and we have different options here for 2 of the chords. So C and E minor will always play the same, but then we have options for the G and the D chord. So the chord progression will be, like I said, C, G, E minor, D. So let's start with the C part, which will be played, like I said, always in the same way. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret A string together with open D, and once you play that open D, you hammer on to get the 2nd D there. So I don't pick that 2nd D, I hammer on with the finger there to get that note, and then you pick the open G, and that's it. So and then comes the G, and we have now 2 options here. We have this first more common option, which is just to play that kick of the 3rd fret E string together with open D. And that will be like that. Just one kick and a big pause. That's the first more common version, but then we also have this. So that means you play first the open D string, and then you play 3rd fret E string in the bass together with 3rd fret B string, and a big pause after that. Okay, so either way is good. More common is the first one. Then over to the E minor part, and that goes also in the same way. As C, where I always play this part for E minor. And that is to play open E string in the bass together with 2nd D, then open G, and 2nd D again. And that's it. And then finally we have the D-shaped version. And here we have 3 different ways of playing this actually. So the first one, and more common than the other ones, is this. So that is to play 5th fret A string together with 4th D, then open G, and back to 4th D. That's the first more common. Then comes the next one, and here you have to hold the full chord as it is, and you play. So that's to play 5th fret A together with 4th D, then 3rd B, open G, and 4th D. And the final version I'm gonna give you is that, okay? So that is to play 5th A, 4th D, open G, and back to 4th D. All right, so there you have the melody, all the chords, all the versions of it. So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds playing with these different versions of it so you can hear how it sounds. You can also check out the intro of the tutorial, of course, where I do that. But let's go for a couple of rounds with this pattern. It goes like this. And so on. All right, there we have the melody, and that runs through the entire song. Now, that's the melody part. Let's go over to the strumming now. And of course, it's gonna hold the full chords as they are. It's gonna follow the same chord progression, C, G minor, D, and we have the strumming that differs a little bit throughout the song here. So we're gonna start with C. You're gonna play like this. And remember, this is my version of it. It's hard to tell exactly how it's done. I believe there are more than just one guitar here that helps each other, and that gives maybe a different picture of what one guitar does. But this is to get as close as the full music picture of it as possible. All right. So this is my version of how I play, or how I would perform this. So again, C, down, down, up, down, up. So first one down, a short pause, and then down, up, down, up. And then you switch to G and play this part. So you're gonna play down first, and then comes down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And this is the hardest part in the song when it comes to strumming. So together it sounds like this. Okay, so again, slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then the two final chords are played in the same way, E minor and D. It goes like this. So it's E minor, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then the same for D, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that ends one round. So I'm going to take you through one round slowly first so you really understand the full picture of the strumming, and then I'm going to play a couple rounds with full speed. Let's go. So there you have it, guys, and especially you, Errol Parrish. Hope you enjoy this Ollie's Caught Fire song, and all you Ollie fans out there. I'm actually one of them, and I never heard this, so thank you, Errol, for being here on this channel. And for all you guys who want your song, continue to wish here on Going Guitar. You can leave a comment wherever you want. I read everything, and you will get on the list. Perhaps it's your song next time. So thank you for being here. Hope to see you soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.